Historic treasures in ashes, iconic landmarks, and beloved destinations in Los Angeles have been consumed by raging wildfires. What's lost and what survives? Let's dive in. The Palisades fire has claimed Will Rogers' historic ranch house, now a state park. Once home to the beloved actor and cowboy philosopher, the ranch symbolized California's cultural heritage. Nearby Topanga State Park wasn't spared either, with several structures destroyed. California State Parks Director Armando Quintero mourned the loss of these irreplaceable cultural assets. In Malibu, flames consumed the Rosenthal Wine Bar and Patio, a haven for wine lovers and a landmark along the Pacific Coast Highway. Patrons shared heartfelt memories online, mourning the loss of this cherished retreat with stunning ocean views. The Eaton fire devastated the Pasadena Jewish Temple and Center. While its buildings are gone, all Torah scrolls were saved. The temple's leadership vowed to rebuild, focusing on supporting their congregants, many of whom lost homes. Nearly a century old, the Topanga Ranch Motel, once owned by William Randolph Hearst, also fell victim to the flames. Known for its rustic charm, it was undergoing restoration plans that now lie in ashes. Theatre Palisades, a cornerstone of LA's community theater scene, was destroyed just days before its latest production. Fellow theater groups expressed sorrow, acknowledging its irreplaceable contribution to local arts. The Eaton fire razed Altadena Hardware, a community staple for over 80 years. Altadena Community Church, which supported families with its food pantry and outreach programs, also burned. Both landmarks were pillars of the local community, leaving residents grieving. Palisades Charter High School sustained severe damage but will partially reopen next week. Meanwhile, Fox's restaurant and Altadena institution since the 1950s is gone. Owners launched a GoFundMe to support their longtime staff. The whimsical Bunny Museum in Altadena, home to over 45,000 bunny artifacts, was destroyed, leaving fans heartbroken. Moon Shadows Malibu, a Pacific Coast Highway icon, also succumbed to the flames, marking another blow to Malibu's culinary heritage. In a rare piece of good news, the Getty villa, housing priceless antiquities, survived thanks to fire mitigation efforts and advanced fire prevention systems. Its collection, valued at $10 billion, remains intact. The devastation left by these wildfires highlights the fragility of our cultural and natural heritage. As rebuilding efforts begin, Los Angeles mourns the loss of its landmarks while holding on to hope for a resilient future.